The engine is the heart of your car. But many drivers unknowingly follow habits that shorten its life, lower performance, and cause costly repairs. Understanding these common mistakes and adopting better maintenance keeps your engine running smoothly for years. Using the wrong engine oil can silently damage your car engine over time. Each engine is designed to work with a specific oil viscosity and type. Using an incorrect one reduces lubrication efficiency, increases friction, and accelerates wear on moving parts. Ignoring air filter replacement can silently harm your engine performance over time. A clogged or dirty air filter restricts airflow to the engine, forcing it to work harder and consume more fuel. This can lead to misfires and increased wear on engine components. By checking and replacing your air filter regularly, you ensure optimal airflow, better fuel economy, and a longer-lasting engine. Excessive short trips can quietly damage your engine over time. When you drive only short distances, the engine often does not reach its optimal operating temperature. This prevents fuel and moisture from burning off completely. Taking occasional longer drives allows the engine to heat up fully, burn off deposits, and maintain smoother performance, ultimately extending its lifespan. Neglecting coolant maintenance can cause serious and costly engine damage over time. Coolant regulates the engine temperature, preventing it from overheating during operation. Low or old coolant can lead to excessive heat, which may warp engine components, damage the head gasket, and reduce overall efficiency. Regularly checking coolant levels and adding coolant as needed helps keep the engine at a safe temperature, protects against corrosion, and ensures long-term reliability. Skipping regular oil changes can cause serious damage to an engine. As oil gets old or dirty, it loses its ability to lubricate, forcing the engine to work harder and wear down more quickly. Replacing your engine oil regularly is key to keeping your car running smoothly. Timely oil changes ensure all engine parts stay properly lubricated. Stick to a maintenance schedule to protect your engine and extend its life. Many drivers do not realize that using high-pressure water when washing their cars can actually harm their vehicles. The strong force of the water can penetrate delicate areas, damaging sensors, electrical components, and wiring that are critical for the engine and safety systems. By understanding these common mistakes and following proper maintenance practices, you will protect your engine and avoid the silent damage that most drivers cause without even realizing it.